Are you in your 40s, 50s, or 60s and you are just sick and tired of the grind? Did you know you could be an affiliate marketer or a digital marketer? I'm going to explain to you exactly what. My name is Dee. I've worked in healthcare for the past 22 years, and 2020 changed everything for me. I realized I no longer wanted to work in healthcare. I was looking for something different to do, something that fulfilled me. Now I'm very grateful for my job, and I actually loved it at one point, and I still kind of like it, but I'm just wanting more time, more family time, more vacation time, more time to do the things that I love, like traveling. I turned to social media. I was already on Facebook. I loved, searching and looking for things, but I wanted to figure out, is there a way I can make money online? A lot of people talked about TikTok, and at first I was like, I'm not getting on TikTok, but I'm glad I did. I was on TikTok and I came across a girl talking just like this about how to make money online. I was very, very intrigued. So I said yes to that opportunity. That opportunity was affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you market a product or a service for a business or a company, and you get paid when someone uses your unique link that they give you and they purchase that product. That company will pay you for bringing in that person because it is someone that's purchasing. They will pay you a commission for doing that task. Now, on my journey, what I've learned is as an affiliate marketer, you're getting a percentage of that profit. So I was like, I really like doing this. I would love to make other streams of income. I would love to make more money, but how am I going to do that? So again, I was here on TikTok, on social media, and I started networking with other people, and I built relationships. And I had a really good friend come to me, and she was like, Dee, do you know you can be a digital marketer and market a product that's already created for you? All the hard work is done. You can market it here on TikTok and make 100% of that profit because it has the master resale rights license attached to it. What does that mean? That means I could purchase that product one time. I could still make all this content. And if somebody purchases that product from me, because it has the master resale rights connected to it, I get 100% of the profit. There's no middleman. So I said, hell yeah. And since then, my business is exploding because now I'm a digital marketer for a course and I market it here. And it's a course that teaches you exactly what I'm doing. And you get, again, 100% of that profit. Now, I also have other streams of income connected to my business too. As an affiliate marketer, I market the products that I'm using. I market the software that I'm using. And what I love about that as an affiliate marketer, those products can be reoccurring. So if you are ready to get off the hamster wheel, the rat race, doing the same thing over and over and over, and you are in your 40s, 50s, 60s, and you're like, I want to build a nest egg. I want to retire in my 50s, and I want to travel and do the things I love. This is an opportunity. If this is something that maybe you want some more information, I would love to talk to you. Comment below, yes, and let's connect, let's talk, and I can tell you exactly what I do. Make sure you save this video and share this. Share this with someone that you think is ready to change their life and they're ready to live life on their own terms.